अब इस संस्था के चेयरमैन दीपेंदु भट्टाचार्य जी हमारे बीच में मौजूद है और आज ये कार्यक्रम के बारे में जो है दो शब्द की अनुष्ठान आज के आयोजित हुए
আমাদের দিওয়ালিপুর সার্বজনীন দুর্গোৎসব সমিতির দুর্গাপূজা এবছর প্লাটিনাম জুবিলি উদযাপন করছে। এটা আমাদের কাছে একটা বিরাট বড় অকেশন। আমরা এই যে নতুন যে नया जमाना जो आया है उसका साथ हम हमारा दुर्गा पूजा का प्लैटिनम जुबली is a coincidence and a very big event for us. So we are doing it in a grand manner, and the residents of Ideal Exotica, which is a new housing complex here, is associated with this puja for first time in a massive way. We wish all success to our puja, and today we have gathered here to felicitate our new MLA of this locality, Dr. Shapon Dasgupta, who is the Finance Minister of West Bengal Government, the Department of Finance Government of West Bengal. We are also expecting Dr. Indranil Khan, who is Minister in charge of Youth and Youth Services and Sports. He is also expected to come here. We will also felicitate him. Along with them, we are expecting Saurabh Sikdar, who is the MLA of South Dondam constituency. We are expecting these three dignitaries with us today to kickstart our grand celebration of 75th year Durga Puja of Nigalipur Sarbojonin Durgotsav Samiti.
We know very well government has already changed. Then in ancient time and present time, what is the difference after changing the government? Say something about your opinion.
It's a big story. You have so much time to hear all the things, or you want it in a very short manner. I'll tell you a gist of it. This puja was a very close affair of the residents of this locality. Nigalipur started building up in 1947, just after independence of our country. And as at that time, Nigalipur was predominantly a Bengali residential area. So as you know, when 10 Bengali families gather together, Rabindra Jayanti starts, and when 20 Bengali families gather together, they started Durga Puja.
How do you feel on this great occasion?
Pardon me?
How do you feel on this great occasion?
Yeah, it's a great feeling. It's a very great feeling. And what we wanted to know from me, because as I told you, it's a very homely affair for us, and people in large number used to participate in this puja for years together. In fact, I started I was active in this puja for nearly 60 years now. When I joined, I was 16 years old, and today I am 76. So, as you can see, my next generation is already crossing 40. So it's a very heritage puja, you can say. It's possibly the second Durga Puja of Nigalipur. So it's very important, and these 75 years, this 75 years is absolutely true. It's not false. You will see in many of the commercial pujas, it's like a galloping local. After the 12th, they go to 13th and then to 17th, like that. But here, 74 Durgas had adorned our pandals before this year. So it's a purely 75th year, no bhejal. So as I was telling you, it's a great feeling, and the last decade was not good for us. As you know, the entire society had to suffer massively in social structure had become very fragile, and especially the upper middle class section had suffered the most. We were no exception. We also suffered. We had a lot of suffering. Our puja became a puja of a prison. As you know, prisoners also perform pujas, and the jailer says who will organize the puja in which year. So our condition was like that. Our puja was hijacked by politicians, tainted politicians. We are helpless, but we have been able to break the chain, and the new regime has given us enough courage to bring forward and to carry on our puja, which we created for us, by us, and for all of us.
Very good, very good. Thank you for this kind cooperation and yeah, for your valuable speech. Thank you.